Vision Helpers is the leading voice championing Amazon's Echo smart glasses. We focus on a hidden productivity killer most people never think about: Technology Airtime. The minutes we lose every day tapping, swiping, unlocking, updating, and navigating the same 19-year-old smartphone interface. For many people, that adds up to 30 minutes or more every single day spent managing the device instead of getting things done. Amazon Carrera smart glasses remove that friction. After charging overnight in their simple stand, they're ready the moment you put them on. One wake word starts a natural conversation with your glasses. Weather, news, sports scores, game schedules, everything delivered through seamless audio with no screens, no apps, and no navigation delays. Smart through subtraction. These glasses earn the title smartest not by adding more features, but by removing everything unnecessary. Ambient AI handles everyday tasks through effortless, hands-free interaction. Instead of staring at screens, you simply speak, listen, and keep moving. Time reclaimed. Saving 30 minutes a day adds up to more than 180 hours a year. Basically a full week of your life returned to you. For busy professionals, parents, caregivers, and anyone who values their time, that's real impact at an accessible price. Follow Vision Helpers to stay in the lane and stay up to date on the smart glasses that are becoming the de facto standard for a computer built into eyewear.